course I'm gonna try it, because who doesn't like a new garden experiment? So I'm going to plant some pea seeds today in a seed snail. This is a piece of like packing foam cut in half lengthwise, so it's about 6 inches. And I'm putting seed starting mix that is cocoa coir, vermiculite, perlite, bone meal, and some worm castings. It's all pre-moistened, nice and wet. I'm gonna fill it up here, all along this foam until I get to the end here. And then this is gonna be rolled up. I need a little bit more, I think. Not quite to the end. And it's going to be rolled up like a little sushi roll. And here is what the seed snail looks like. And I'm going to put seeds in here all the way around. I'm starting here on the outside and putting the peas in. Now, I thought I had enough peas to do this whole thing, but since I did another one, I don't. So these peas are going like the outside, and then I'm going to switch over to a different kind of pea and also put in a marker so that I will know that this is a different variety. And get all the peas in there, and then I'm just going to add dirt to the top so that they will be down about 1/4 of an inch. Should do it okay. And I've got a baggie that I'm gonna put over this so it'll act as a little greenhouse outside. I think I better snip a little hole in the top so it can get some air and a little bit of water if necessary. Quick update on the seed snail experiment. These are the melting sugar snow peas that were planted on January 29th. It's 8 days later. These have been inside under lights, and my goodness, look how they've grown. I think so far it's a success. I'm gonna unroll them a little bit and just check on the roots and maybe add some more soil and see how that does. The one that I did outside, I see a few little sprouts coming up, but they of course are slower because they are outside and it's not quite the conditions for them to sprout, but I will check them out and post a picture of them as they come up. I'm gonna unroll the seed snail to see how the roots are doing. Look at them, they're coming out the bottom. I was thinking that I was going to unroll this and add soil to it, but oh my goodness, can you even see how lovely the roots are? I'm gonna roll this baby back up, and I may just take it to the garden and put them right in the garden because we've got decent weather coming up. Got a little bit of cold snap coming, but that'll be okay for the bees. This is the outside snail that I did with the peas. They're beginning to sprout, but not nearly as good, of course, as the ones that did under lights inside. But these will be fine. There's a better view of them, and I will cover them back up with this baggie until it's a little bit warmer outside.